Good evening, students. In previous period, we have already seen the determinant method for solving the simultaneous equations. Now we are going to see the equations reducibles. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. See the meaning of this article. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. That means given equations are not a standard form of linear equation in two variables, and then we have to convert given equation in pair of linear equation in two variables. For example, 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. This equation is not a linear, this is equation but not a linear equation in two variables. There are also two variables because we know the index of both variables should be plus 1. Here x and y are on the denominator. If we take on numerator the x raised to minus 1, you know the rule of indices. A raised to m is equal to 1 upon a raised to minus m. According to this rule of indices, if x goes on numerator, it becomes x raised to minus 1. That means the given equation not a linear equation in two variables. Now we have to convert this equation in linear equation in two variables. This is we can write in the form of 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. 3 into 1, 3 upon x plus 4 into 1, 4 upon y as it is. Now here this is 1 upon x and this is 1 upon y. By replacing 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, we get, what do we get? Except 1 upon x, we can write m. Except 1 upon y, we can write n. 3 into m means 3m plus 4 into 1 upon y, that is n. 3m plus 4n is equal to 5, and this is equation, linear equation in two variables. That means we can convert given equation in required form. Now second equation. Anush, can you tell me such a type of equation? Harshada, can you tell me? Yes, Anush, you can tell me. Yes, you stand up. Very good. 4 upon m minus 6 upon n is equal to 9. Sit down, very good. 4 upon m minus 6 upon n is equal to 9. Here we can write this equation in this type: 4 into 1 upon m minus 6 into 1 upon n is equal to 9. By replacing 1 upon m is equal to p and 1 upon n is equal to q. Now we can write 4 into p, that is 4p, minus 6 into 1 upon n, that is q. 4p minus 6q is equal to 9. This is required in your equation. From this equation, linear equation in two variables, we can convert given equation in required form, and on the basis of this replacing we can solve some equations with the help of this conversion. And now we are going to learn practice set 1.4. See first example from practice set 1.4 from our textbook. Practice set 1.4, example number 1. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. And 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Again we read 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Here we can write this equation. 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. This one 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. Again replacing 1 upon x and 1 upon y by m and n. By replacing 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, means 2n. Therefore 2n minus 3n is equal to 15. Equation number 1. 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Equation number 2. Now see the coefficient of m and see the coefficient of n. Now we are going to convert only these two equations in linear equation and two variable. Now we can solve in previous method by equating coefficients or by Cramer's rule or by graphical method. We can use any one method and we can solve these two equations. Here 8 and here 2, means if we multiply equation 1 by 4, 4 into 2 8, and here is 8m also, means multiply equation 1 by 4. This is in short 4 into 2 8m minus 4 3s are 12n is equal to 15 4s are 60 is equation number 3. And now write here equation number 2 as it is. Equation number 8m plus 5n is equal to 77 is equation number 2. Means subtract equation 2 from 3. Subtract equation 2 from 3, we get here by changing the sign, plus minus, minus become plus and minus plus become minus. 8m minus 8m gets cancelled. These are same sign, that means addition and with same sign. Minus 17 n is equal to, it is opposite sign, plus 16 minus 70. Subtract smaller number from bigger number, 17, and sign of bigger number is minus 17. Minus 17 n is equal to minus 17, that is n is equal to 1. 17 ones are 17, minus minus gets cancelled. If we put this n is equal to 1 in any equation, we can find the answer of n. Put in which equation? equation number 2, 8m plus 5n is equal to 77 is equation number 2. 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Replace n by 1. 8m plus 5 into 1 is equal to 77. 8m plus 5 is equal to 77. 8m is equal to 77 minus 5. 8m is equal to 72. 7 minus 5 to 7 as it is. M is equal to 72 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 nines are 72. Means M is equal to 9. M is equal to 9. Then by resubstituting, 1 upon x is equal to 1. Now, but 1 upon x is equal to m. We have to write here 1 upon x is equal to m, but m is 9. Therefore, 1 upon x is equal to 9. For our convenience, 9 upon 1. By taking reciprocal, x is equal to 1 upon 9. This is value of x. Here, and 1 upon y is equal to n. 1 upon y is equal to n. And value of n is 1. 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 1. After cross multiplication, y is equal to 1. This is answer of x is 1 upon 9 and y is 1, and therefore solution xy is equal to 1 upon 9 and 1. This is required solution for this example. Do you understand? Any problem for this example? Nothing. All are easy steps and you can solve such type of example. Try to solve at your home. Now one more example. We are going to take one more example from the same practice set, and then remaining two examples try to solve at home. One more example, that is 27 upon, this is third example from 1.4. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Again check once. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now, first we have to convert in linear equation in two variables. Therefore, we can write this equation in the form of 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And for this one, 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. By replacing what is our next step? By replacing or resubstitute or put, by replacing 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Except x and y, we can take any variable here from a to z. Now here 1 upon x minus 2 is m, means 27m. Therefore 27m plus 31, 1 upon y plus 3 is n, that is n is equal to 85, equation number 1. Similarly here 31m plus 27n is equal to 89, equation number 2. Now see these equations. 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. See here, observe this, cross coefficients are equal. Cross coefficients are equal, and you know, if cross coefficients are equal, then we can use adding and subtracting method. First we have to adding these two equations. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Yesterday we have seen this method. If cross coefficients are same, then we can use adding and subtraction method. Very good. And now here coefficients are same. 27 plus 31, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 3, 5, 58m plus 58n is equal to 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 174. 174. Divide both side by 58. We get m plus n. If we divide both side by 58, 58 threes are 174, that is m plus n is equal to 3 is equation number 3. Then subtract these two equations. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2 means write first second equation. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89 is equation number 2. Then 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 is equation number 1. Plus become minus, and plus become minus. 31 minus 27, 11 minus 7, that is 4, means 4m. Here 27 minus 31, subtract smaller number from bigger number and sign of bigger number is minus. Here is minus 4n is equal to 89 minus 85, that is also here 4. And here divide both side by 4. Divide both side by 4. We get m minus n is equal to 1. I can write here m minus n is equal to 1 is equation number 4. If we subtract both side by 4, 4m minus 4n is equal to 4. Divide both side by 4. In short, I write here m minus n is equal to 1 is new equation, equation number 4. Then we know equation number 3 is here. Equation number 3 is here. Consider equation number 3 and 4 and try to solve as usual method of simultaneous equation. M plus n is equal to 3. M plus n is equal to 3 is our third equation. Here coefficient of n is 1 but signs are opposite, means we can adding this equation 3 and 4. By adding equation 3 and equation 4, again we have to write here m minus n is equal to 1, equation number 4, and m plus n is equal to 3, equation number 3. M plus m, 2m, minus n plus n gets cancelled, 1 plus 3, 4, means m is equal to 4 upon 2 is 2, means answer of m or value of m is 2. Now we have to find n. Put in equation 3, m plus n is equal to 3, equation number 3. Except m, we can write 2 plus n is equal to 3, means n is equal to 3 minus 2, and therefore n is equal to 1. m is 2 and n is 1, but example is not complete here. Here our example in term of x and your answer is in term of n. Here is substitution by replacing this one and this one, means we have to find our answer in term of x and y from m is equal to 2 and from n is equal to 1. For our convenience, any problem here? Write down this first, and then we are going to find the value of x and y. Here m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. But now x minus 2, 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to n. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m. And 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Replace the value of m and n from this. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, for our convenience we can write this one 2 upon 1 and this one 1 upon 1. After cross multiplication, 2 into x, that is 2x minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 into 1 1. Here y plus 3 1s are y plus 3 is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. Here minus 4 take on that side, it becomes plus 4, means 2x is equal to 1 plus 4, 2x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 2. And y is equal to 1 minus 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Means our solution, final solution is equal to xy is equal to in bracket 5 by 2 comma minus 2 is required answer of this example. Now see here, first convert this equation. These are two equations. We know the reducible system. First convert these two equations in linear equation in two variables by substituting this one. After substitution, your equations are in m or m and n type equation. Then solve these two equations by as usual method. Then your answers are in terms of m and n, and then by resubstituting, again resubstituting, your answers will be in the form of x and y, and this final answer is required for this example. And now remaining example from practice set 1.4, there are only two examples are remaining. Remaining examples from practice set 1.4, try to solve at home, and if any problem you can call me. My name and number is on blackboard. Okay, thank you students.